Hi, myself Mohammed Zain, second year electrical and electronics student at Maratha College of Engineering, Kodamangalam, Kerala. As a part of IEEE Humanitarian Survey, we visit a village called Puyanguti in Kutumbaya Gram Panchayat. It's a tribal colony. In between the survey, most of the people are saying and communicating about that there is no any communication system that they can communicate to the outside world. And at the end of the survey, we concluded that they are mainly looking for to get a communication system that enable the communication between the outside world and the villages. After the survey, we went back to the college, and I decided that I want to build a device that helps the Puyanguti villagers to enable the communication. Then I built a device called LoCom. LoCom is a device that consists of LoRa. We all know that inside the forest we didn't get any cellular connection. That's right, yeah. In the 10-kilometer radius, they don't have any connection or any network connection. So I plan to use a LoRa SX 1296 series. And this consists of a LoRa module, ESP32, and two buttons and an antenna. This will also act as a Wi-Fi hotspot inside the Puyanguti village. This is a node. This we are going to fix inside the forest, inside the Puyanguti colony, and this will act as a Wi-Fi hotspot. And the villagers can connect their cell phone into this device. Most of the villagers have cell phone that was sponsored by different organizations and NGOs to enable or to enhance their education purpose. But they don't have any network, so they are still stuck because they don't have any communication system to get the more information or to get the resources that want to study or like that. And this device also have a two button. This is for or to send SOS message immediately or by pressing this. One button is for to alert for to get the medical support that from the outside world to inside the Puyanguti. And the another is a button used for to call fire and rescue team and to come and whether there is any risk or issues to rescue them. Also, I said that this will act as a Wi-Fi hotspot, and this have a local IP, and you can see that we have a local IP in here, and by connecting to this particular Wi-Fi, I can access the local web page that inside this particular node. Inside this, we can see that there is two button. Other than this, we can after connecting the Wi-Fi, and we can go to the local web page. We can send the medical support and the fire and rescue by pressing this button inside the web. Also, they can send particular text that need any help. Just for sake of demonstration, I just said hi, and the location or landmark they were trapped or they need help. I just put MPV block. After I press submit, go to a blank page, and this LoRa, this device, this edge device, this node is collect this data through Wi-Fi and send the data through LoRa to the gateway. This is a gateway. This will be situated inside the forest office, and this will be bypassing all the data that get from the node that's situated in the forest or in the colony. Also, I already said that we can press this SOS button to alert medical support or any other fire and rescue support. When I press this button, then we can say that a red LED is blinking. Instead of this, we can set any alert system or like that. For single demonstration, I set an LED because it's the first prototype of this device. Instead of pressing for medical support, we can see that red LED will pop up. Yeah, a blue LED will be blinking. This is a node that we fix inside the Puyanguti village, as I said, and for the sake of demonstration, I connect a USB cable to my laptop, and this data is sent from an MPV block is sent from this phone to this particular Wi-Fi, and I just monitoring that data in my serial monitor. Yeah, this is data that we get from this device, that is get into this device, and this data will be sending to the gateway. This is a gateway. This data will be sending to the gateway by using LoRa. And this have a LoRa ESP32 and a power supply system inside this device. This will publish all those data by using Node-RED into a spreadsheet. Yeah, we can see that this data will be at this timestamp, and the send is high at the MPV block, address is MPV block. This data will be getting to the our Google spreadsheet directly, and we can set this by using a Node-RED. Also, this is my Windows device, so I set WSL for to enable this as a local server. This is a local server as of now. I already said that other than the SOS button in the node, we can also have this 2 button in this particular local web page. We already know that this will be acting as a Wi-Fi hotspot inside that Poyamoti village, and we were connected to this particular hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, and then that's why I'm getting this particular web page. Yeah, when I press this, this LED will be blinking, the SOS alert will be sending. Other than this, we can press this 2 button to send the SOS message. Just for now, I'm just demonstrating this. For now, just I'm pressing the medical. Just I'm pressing the medical support. The red LED will be blinking, right? When I press this fire and rescue, the blue LED will be flashing. Yeah, right. Yeah. This manner, we can also send the SOS message and alert. So now we have developed a first prototype of our device using LoRa ESP32, Node-RED, and the data will be logging in this spreadsheet directly by using Node-RED. And it's the first prototype, and this will be an intermediate or first level model of our device. And as a next step, we are planning that want to change the antenna into a fiberglass antenna, because it's only get some range in the range of 700 meter or 800 meter. In the case of fiberglass antenna, 3 dB or 4 dB antenna, we can send the data into a long range. Also by using solar, by also implementing, now we are powering this device by using a USB cable. And next step, we are powering all this device by using solar panel. LoRa only consumes 0.7 milliamps in active mode, in transceiver mode. So we can last our devices for a long time. So the power will be a sustainable thing. And also we are planning to use recycling battery that we get from the used laptop for this device. In next stage, we are also planning that to enable to send the PDF or note that enhance the education of the students in that particular village. Also, we are planning to enable the voice communication by sending a voice. We can send the voice transfer inside the community village and the forest office. And also, as of now, we only integrated this with an order to publish all this data in the spreadsheet. In next stage, we are automating all these things, like based on the request of the users inside that village, we are setting all autonomously. For example, the student need a max note. He will be entering the particular syllabus or particular syllabus number in that text box or in that text box, and the server will automatically detect which node is that, which particular PDF server want to send, and everything. Based on that, the server will send the data using LoRa, that particular PDF by using LoRa into that particular page. Also, the another challenge is the LoRa can send a large amount of data. It's only is sent 250 byte maximum. So we are sending all this data in packet form. So by recombining all packets inside the edge device or inside the node, we are sending this PDF into the user or that particular student. Also, in the final stage, we are also planning to integrate the payment gateway with this, because the Poyamoti villages are rich with forest resources like honey, like that. So they can trade everything directly to the people in the outside of that particular area, and they can enable their payment or any payment channel by using this LoRa gateway itself. That's it, our presentation, and we are hoping that we can enable and we can implement this device in the Coimbatore village, and they can improve their lifestyle, they can improve their economy, they can improve their education, they can improve their livelihood and everything. And also, I would like to include one more thing that was happened in that particular village. In last year, a pregnant woman was sick, so the husband of that particular husband is trying to contact the outside world, but there is no any chance to contact them through any communication medium. So that husband take his wife in his shoulder and walk around 10 kilometers to outside the village and went to hospital. That was the situation that happened in Coimbatore village in last year. So I'm proudly saying that I can solve all this issue by implementing this particular LoCom device in that Coimbatore village. By this, I'm concluding my words. Thank you.